what happens when a CPU gets too cold? Well, we know when the opposite happens and it gets too hot, that the CPU overheats and loses performance. So what challenges do we face on the flip side when a CPU gets colder and colder? To find out, today we're going to be experimenting with some alternative ways to cool a PC. Starting off simple with the box fan. Placing it right up against the motherboard will give it tons of airflow to help dissipate heat. But as of right now, we're only moving around room temperature air. So by introducing some bags of ice, we can lower that surrounding air temperature. And just like that, we have our first cooling setup. So let's turn on the PC to see if it actually helps. With the box fan turned off, we can see the normal temperature of the CPU in the system is around 37-39 degrees Celsius. And so now if we crank up the fan to its highest setting, anecdotally, I do feel tons of cold air being blown onto the motherboard. And if we take a look at the actual graph, you can see that the temperature has already dropped over 10 degrees Celsius. Honestly, that's not too bad, but we could do a whole lot better. So we'll remove the ice in the fan and replace it with a modern marvel, the air conditioning unit. I found this portable one on Craigslist for $100, which is cheaper than some AIOs, but it will require some modification to work with our system. Essentially, we need to create a direct connection from the output of cold air on the AC unit to the CPU itself. Thanks to a bit of duct tape and elbow grease, we're all set. And now the AC unit's liquid refrigerant is